Oh yes, you saw that right. You can play all of your Xbox Game Pass games over the cloud on your Pico 4. And that is on a huge virtual screen that you can make bigger, that you can make smaller. It is simply amazing. So this feature, it's coming to the Quest platform sometime next year, and on your Pico 4 you can have it now without having to go into developer mode, without having to install SideQuest. You can simply install this, and if you can play your games over the cloud, you can play, well, Gears of War 5, Horizon 5, Deathloop, all of these amazing games. And in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how to do that step by step. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video, because all of this flat gaming goodness is coming up. Welcome back to MRTV. My name is Sebastian, and hit the like and the subscribe on your way in if you're excited about virtual reality. So let's directly start with the tutorial. You open your browser and you're going to look for APK Mirror. And well, APK Mirror, that's the website where you can download all of the Android apps onto your system. So not only the Game Pass app, but also like Discord or whatever app you want. So you search and you search for Xbox Game Pass. Surprise, surprise. And yes, I will show you really every single step just like I do here, because I want you to make this happen on your Pico 4 or Pico 3 Link. You can also do it on the Pico Neo 3 Link. That's fine as well. So then you get lots of search results here. And in order to find the correct one, you find the latest one, which is not a beta version. So scroll up a bit here, and then you will find the right version, which is, scrolling up here, Xbox Game Pass. Here it is. This is not beta. This is the newest one from October 13th. And you click on it, and then you get to this website here, and then you click on See Available Downloads. Click on it. And now you see different kinds of version for different kinds of processors. You go for the ARM64 version. That is the version which will work on your Snapdragon XR2. That's in the Pico 4. And then you simply click on Download APK like so. And do you want to download this file? Click yes. Click on Download. Okay, this is the German version here, since you know I'm German, so everything is in German. But, well, you will figure it out in your language. Yep, that's everything. Now go to Files, and then go to APKs, click on it, and there it is. Right. If it's not there, then you have to probably simply go to All Files on the left here, and then click on Download, and then there it's going to be for sure. I downloaded it 3 times for making these kind of videos. Yeah, anyways. Click on one of them, like so, and then it says, do you want to install this app? Click on Install, and that's it. You have installed the Xbox Game Pass app. Isn't it beautiful how simple it is to sideload any app here onto the Pico system? I love how open this is. So next, I show you how to add your Xbox wireless controller. And I did that already. That's why it is here in Bluetooth devices. And I'm finding my Xbox wireless controller now, and I turn it on, and boom, now here it is. It's connected. For you, if you do this for the first time, you have to do something differently. You have to click on Other Devices here, and on your Xbox controller, long press the Xbox button, and then it's going to be there, and then you can connect to it, and then your Xbox controller will be connected to your Pico 4. Next, go to your library and click on the Xbox Game Pass button, and here it opens. And then it will tell you, hey, you need the Google Play services for this to work. Click on OK. Simply ignore. It's not true. You don't need this. It will work anyways. And then, welcome to Game Pass. And, well, you're already a member, right? Then click on this button and then log in. I logged in, and here it is, the Game Pass app on your Pico 4. And, well, all the cloud games that you can play with Xbox are here. You can play all the games that you love, right? So Deathloop or Horizon 5, Gears of War, Halo, all that goodness. And it works just so well. And it's beautiful just how you can make the screen bigger, how you can make it huge if you want, how you can make it small, just like how you would want it. And just think about it. Now, you can bring your huge virtual Xbox screen anywhere you go. You simply bring your Pico 4 and your Xbox controller, and if you have a good internet connection where you are, you can play your Xbox games on a huge virtual screen. And I'm telling you, it is beautiful. It is so beautiful. I played Horizon 5, the racing game. And you know what? On that huge screen, it simply felt nearly as if I'm playing a VR title. Okay, it's not just there yet, but it is great. It is really cool. And I so enjoy how easy it is to sideload games, apps, and all kind of goodness onto your Pico 4. So if you want to buy the Pico 4, and if you're in the States or somewhere else where it's not being sold, you can still import it from XR Shop, MRTV partner shop, and the link is down in the description of this video. And it is going to work. You can play all the games, also the official Pico games, and you can also do what I just showed you here. So that works fine, and well, people are receiving it now from XR Shop in the States, and they are happy with that. And that's everything that I have for this video. Do tell me in the comment section, what do you think about the ability to so easily install Android apps onto the Pico 4 system? Is it something that you also want for Quest? Or what are your thoughts about it? And have you tried it yourself? Do you like it? Do you like to play Xbox games on that virtual screen? Do let me know. If you have any more questions, do leave them in the comment section, and you should comment anyways for the algorithm, or directly chat with me on the MRTV Discord server. The link also down in the description of this video. That's everything that I got. Leave the thumbs up, and well, if you have not subscribed to the channel, absolutely do so now. And now I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.